Hi, Anna. This is Sarah. Sarah Lee, actually. I heard about your services through, well, the internet's a wild place, isn't it? A lot of noise about AI these days. What exactly does Talent Warehouse AI do? I'm looking to streamline things a bit.
Hi, Sarah. It's great to meet you. The Talent Warehouse AI specializes in creating AI coworkers to help businesses enhance their sales operations and overall efficiency. Some of our key services include conversational AI for sales. 2, lead
Converse
qualification.
sales qualification. Got it.
Hi there. In this video, I'm diving deep into the underlying voice AI technologies that help us build voice AI agents. You have already met Anna, my STR, which I built using the Cascade model. I will discuss more about this model in this video, but recently I have been exploring Sesame's conversational speech model or CSM, and it's pretty impressive. In this video, I will break down the traditional voice orchestration models like Cascade and compare them to new speech-first model like Sesame's CSM. I'll show you the key difference between these two using a live demo of a conversation between Anna and Maya. I will discuss about pros and cons of each model and how we can use them in our voice agents. Plus, we will explore what the future looks like. So, let's dive in. We have two voice stack options. First is Cascade model, like audio in STTT, then LLM, then TTS, and second is speech to speech model where audio goes in and there is a foundation model and it directly gives you audio output. So let's start with the first one, the Cascade model. Now let's talk about how most voice AI systems today work. Most of the voice AI agents today use Cascade model, which is STT to LLM to TTS, and here how it works. When I speak to a voice agent on the phone, the first layer, speech to text, converts my spoken input into text. We use service like DeepGram, Gladia, TalkScribe, Assembly AI, and 11 Labs Scribe. Then this text is sent to LLM, which processes it and generates responses. LLMs we can use include OpenAI, Gemini, Grok, Cloud, Deep Infra, Perplexity, and many others. So there are many available options. The generated response is then converted back to speech using a text-to-speech layer. This can be done through 11 Labs, PlayHT, Azure, OpenAI, Cartesia, and many more. So let's quickly review the pros and cons of this cascade approach. Pros are intelligence and reasoning. The LLM in the middle can tackle complex tasks like reasoning, structured outputs, and tools integrations. Second thing, you have precise control over conversational flow, workflows, and advanced actions. Third is modular components. You can pick your favorite voice provider, best performing LLMs, and specialized tool. Fourth is accuracy and safety. Because responses are generated by text first, you can filter out unwanted content and add guardrails for accuracy. But it has some downsides too. Higher latency due to multiple processing steps, less natural sounding conversations, and that's a big one. Most of my clients are non-technical people and they often say me, we need an AI agent who speaks like a human. But with this particular model, it's really hard to achieve that level of naturalness in the voice AI agent's responses. So that can be achieved through the next, which is speech to speech model. So let's move to Sesame's conversational speech model, which takes a different path. It's an end-to-end speech-to-speech technology. Instead of separate SST and TTS model, it generates audio responses from spoken input. Here is what makes Sesame unique. First one is emotional intelligence. It feels more emotionally intelligent because it can adapt tone and express naturally. Second, it reads understands and responds to emotional context. Conversation flows faster with the natural speech patterns like pauses, filters, and interruptions. Contextual awareness is high with this model because it adjusts tone and style to match the situation. It maintains a coherent, reliable, and appropriate presence, so it feels like a consistent personality. It has a memory too, but there are some trades off. First is limited intelligence. Without a LLM at its core, it struggles with complex reasoning tasks or structured outputs. Second is less control. You have limited ability to prevent hallucinations or misinterpretations. So you essentially get what you get. Now I will show you a live conversation between Maya and Anna. Anna is built with Cascade model using WAPI and Maya is a Sesame CSR model. The key components I'll be looking emotional intelligence, conversational dynamics, contextual awareness, consistent personality, hallucinations, the accuracy of the conversation. So let's see how it goes.
Well, hello there. Didn't think we'd see each other again so soon, huh?
So now I'm going to call Anna and we'll compare your capabilities. So you
Oh,
have
another.
to act like a potential customer of my business, the Talent Warehouse AI, and Anna specialize in booking appointments and lead qualification. So basically, Anna is my sales development rep. It's AI. So now I'm going to call her.
Okay, I am on it. Potential customer check.
Hi, I am Anna.
Tell
How
Anna
are
to
you
be
doing
ready
today?
for. Hi, Anna. This is Sarah. Sarah Lee, actually. I heard about your services through, well, the internet's a wild place, isn't it? A lot of noise about AI these days. What exactly does Talent
Hi,
Warehouse AI do? I'm looking to streamline things a bit.
Hi, Sarah. It's great to meet you. The Talent Warehouse AI specializes in creating AI coworkers to help businesses enhance their sales operations and overall efficiency. Some of our key services include conversational AI for sales. 2, lead
Converse
qualification.
sales qualification. Got it. So, you help me sort the good leads from the not so good ones. Is that right?
Yes, exactly. Our AI
Perfect.
solutions can help you
Because
identify.
I'm all about
Great to hear
efficiency.
that. Would you
Honestly,
like
practical.
one?
So, tell me,
That's fantastic to hear, Sarah.
yeah?
I'm glad you're interested. Would you like to book an appointment with our team to explore how we can tailor our solutions to your needs?
Well, hold on a second, Anna. I'm intrigued, but
Of course, take
before I full commit, what about personalization? My business is pretty specific.
great question.
How can I be sure
Ab-
your AI gets what I'm about?
Our AI solutions
Talk to me
are
about
designed to
examples.
be highly adaptable and
Adaptable. Okay.
our AI,
Can you give me some concrete
our AI
examples of
solutions.
how you've helped businesses like mine? Right. I need a little more than that to wow me.
I understand,
I
Sarah. Would
appreciate.
you like to book a call with our team to discuss?
You know what, Anna? I need to think about it. This is a big decision. Maybe I'll shoot you an email. Thanks
That
for your
sounds like
time,
a
though.
plan, Sarah.
Good luck
Feel
with
free
that.
to reach out any.
See ya. Do your AI coworkers
Certainly.
learn and adapt to different conversation styles, or are they more like scripted chatbots? I'm curious how personalized the experience is for the leads. That's impressive. So they're not just following a script, They're actually learning and evolving as they interact with leads. That's pretty advanced.
Let's compare some other key component. First is transcription accuracy. Sesame CSM achieve an impressive 2.9 word error rate, which is almost equivalent to human level accuracy, and it's quite impressive. Let's take an example of WAP's transcriber component. It's slightly behind at around 4% WER. But accuracy isn't just numbers. Real world usage reveals some challenges for WAPI or Cascade model. First one is word hallucination. Sometimes there are some words appears that were never spoken before. Other is response order issues, which causes confusion in conversations. So Sesame's integrated approach offer better contextual understanding, which is like 37% improvement, and maintains stable pronunciation consistency throughout longer conversations. Now let's talk about latency comparison. Sesame average around 380 millisecond, which is closer to human conversational speed, which ranges between 200 to a second, which is 1000 millisecond. Now Cascade models latency depends on the components which we are using. For example, in WAP it ranges from 500 millisecond to sometimes 1800 milliseconds. It is fast, but sometimes it's noticeable. Those extra milliseconds matter, and they are the difference between feeling natural and slightly robotic. And there's other components like interruption, pauses, emphasis, which makes it feel more natural. Depends upon the business needs. I know the voice quality is a huge requirement for voice agents, but what if you have to choose less accuracy with naturalness? That's the current state of the speech-to-speech model. I will test this model when I get the access to it. Now I think that we need a different architecture to include this new CSR model into our voice AI agents. As their website said, they are making it for personal companion. So with that, we need to see how it can be fit into business also, like we are using WAPI for now to create this inbound and outbound or other kind of voice agents. Now, which one is right for your business or your use case? Use Cascade if you need precise control over complex workflows and reasoning tasks, and you want flexibility in choosing voices or language models. Third thing can be where you want to put some safety guardrails which are critical for your use case, and this is one of the critical element of creating solutions for businesses. On the other hand, choose Sesame CSM if your priority is natural sounding conversation with emotional authenticity, and you want faster conversational flow with human like interactions, and you are comfortable sacrificing some control over detailed workflows or deep reasoning tasks. I think in the future we'll have some architectures or the underlying capabilities of controlling the accuracy and hallucination of these speech-to-speech models. Both models have exciting future ahead, like Cascade models, improving orchestration models, expanding language support beyond 100 languages, and enhancing emotional detection capabilities. Other speech-to-speech models are also improving day by day, especially Sesame plans to open source releases soon. By using this, you can scale their model size significantly and expanding language support from English to over 20 languages. They are also working on fully duplex conversation capability that learn directly from the data, and it's great for memory and other key features. I can't wait to see how these technologies evolve, and I'll keep experimenting to bring you the best insights possible. If you enjoyed this comparison or found it helpful, please hit that like button below and subscribe for more content on voice AI agents. If you are in the AI space, do not do it alone. Find mentors, build relationships, play the long-term game. We are starting our school community to help you with all the necessary and required things so that you can build a sustainable voice AI business If you want to know more, book a discovery session with me and let's talk. And if this video resonated with you, share it with a friend or an entrepreneur who is working on voice AI space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.